Welcome to Unisellergy. Let's walk through how to connect your WooCommerce sales channel. To begin, navigate to the Channels module. Here, you'll find a list of supported e-commerce and marketplace platforms available for integration. Under the Shopping Cart section, locate WooCommerce. Enter your WooCommerce website URL, then click the arrow button to proceed. You'll be redirected to your WooCommerce store's authentication page. Log in using your WooCommerce Admin username and password. After logging in, an authorization screen will appear. This screen outlines the permissions requested by Unisellergy. To ensure smooth integration, Unisellergy requires read and write access to the following: products, orders, customers, coupons, webhooks. Carefully review the permissions, then click Approve to continue. Please do not close the pop-up window manually. Once the authorization is completed, the pop-up will close automatically and you'll be redirected back to Unisellergy. The inventory page will open automatically. A pop-up will appear prompting you to sync WooCommerce data. Click Sync Data to begin the synchronization process. Please wait while your WooCommerce products and inventory data are securely synced into Unisellergy. Once the inventory sync is complete, your WooCommerce products will be visible in the inventory list. Next, navigate to the Orders page. Your WooCommerce orders will begin syncing automatically. When both inventory and order synchronization are complete, your WooCommerce sales channel is successfully connected. You can now manage your products, inventory, and orders from WooCommerce directly within the Unisellergy platform. Now let's talk about how to disconnect the WooCommerce channel. If you wish to disconnect your WooCommerce channel, follow these steps. Go to the Channels page. You'll see the WooCommerce channel marked as connected with the Disconnect button on the right side. Click Disconnect. A confirmation message will appear. Do you really want to disconnect the WooCommerce channel? Click No to cancel and close the pop-up. Click Yes to confirm and disconnect the channel. Once disconnected, WooCommerce inventory and orders will no longer be available in Unisellergy. Thank you for using Unisellergy. Manage and grow your business effortlessly. All your sales channels on one powerful platform.